Hi everybody, this is Trin from the How To Duo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these gift bags. I put this on TikTok, a 1-minute video, and it's doing really well, so I realized I need to put it on YouTube too, so here we go. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is cut your wrapping paper to size. I'm wrapping this headband that I crocheted. So this is the size I want it to be, and I'm going to make sure that I could do a trifold around it. So if you have a shirt or something larger, just make sure you cut it to size, but this would work with any clothing item or any item really. So I'm going to do a trifold, and I'm going to tape the middle, the top, and the bottom. And then now I'm going to fold this up. So depending on your item and how wide you want the bag to be, that's how much you're going to fold up. So I want it to be about that wide, so I'm going to fold up that much. And now you're going to open that up and bring in the corners so that it forms this diamond shape here. Tuck that in. All right, so now you have this diamond shape, and you're going to bring the bottom up. Make sure both tops are touching like so. Okay, and we're just going to tape in the middle. And just for extra security, I like to tape diagonally too. Whoops. All right, so some people just leave it like this, and when you open it up, you have your gift bag. But I don't like that curved shape, although it's fine. You could keep it like that, but I like it to look more like a paper bag. So just take one extra step, which is folding in the side, make the lines line up like that. Crease it. And do the same to this side. And just to make sure the creases are super straight, we're going to fold it the other way too. Just want a strong crease. Now, when you open it up, it should look just like a paper bag. Those lines that you creased earlier, just give it another crease. And now you should have a paper bag. It's like a lunch bag. Open it up. I'm gonna place my gift inside here. Now you could just scrunch and tie it like this, or you could fold it over and tape it right there. I'm gonna actually punch 2 holes and put ribbon through it. So I'm gonna grab my hole puncher here. I'm gonna grab ribbon and just tie it through the 2 holes from the front, then loop it to the back. So ribbon through the front. And then through the back, tie a double knot, curl the ribbon, all done. And that's it, super easy and cute, and you can make them bigger too if you have shirts or clothing items that you need to wrap. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. You could also find us on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, and now TikTok at The How To Duo. And for more tutorials, visit our blog at thehowtoduo.com. Thanks for watching.